Hi guys, today we're going to be replacing the outer track rod end on this Freelander 2. So as you can see, we've got the wheel off, it's jacked up, secured on axle stands back there. First thing I'm going to do is clean up these threads so it comes off nice and easy. So what I do is hit them with a wire brush, some penetrating fluid, get the wire brush on them. Just clean out any rubbish or debris that could stop it from coming off as easy as it should. Then you're going to want to undo the lock nut here. I don't have the right size spanner, so I'm going to use a pipe wrench and just crack it off. So you just see I just tightened it just to clean out the pathway for the threads a little bit, and then crack it off like so. Then I'm going to be getting a 21mm on the end of an impact to undo the nut holding the track rod to the hub. We're going to give the knuckle here a tap to cause the vibrations or knock this loose. It's only held on by a taper, so the vibrations will let this grip go. What you want to do is hit it here into the hub rather than here and end up snapping this bit off. So we want to hit it directly into here and then let it just drop out. Right, so we've knocked that out. We're going to count the turns of this getting off, but we've butted this up against it. So when we put it back on, it should butt up against that again. You can see there now while we're changing it, it has got a bit of up and down movement in there as well. It failed the MOT either way, so we have to replace it, but you can see why in there. Put a little bit of grease on this just to prevent seizures in the future, so if it ever has to come off again, it should come off nice and easy. Obviously you don't want to put too much in there. Then we're going to clean up the threads on the inner arm, just so it slides on nicely and it doesn't get too stuck in the future. Then what I do is put my impact on the lower setting. I just run it down, just so it's nipped up. Now this is all put back together neatly. We're going to go on to E3 Technical and get the manufacturer's specified torque for this. Now that's all nice and secure and torqued down, we're going to do this torque nut, this lock nut up. That actually has a torque setting as well, but I don't have the appropriate torque wrench for that, so we're just going to nip that up for now and send it down for tracking.